What you should eat in Mediterranean diet. Is it possible to eat a diet that is both healthy and delicious? Yes, it exists, and it is known as the Mediterranean diet. This way of eating has multiple health benefits and a Mediterranean diet food list that will make your mouth water. It is a diet that can resonate with people of all ages and backgrounds. It is not prohibitively expensive to follow, and calorie quality is far more important than calorie quantity. But what exactly is a typical Mediterranean diet list? Let's find it. Before we dive into a healthy diet, welcome to the channel, a safe and healing space for all ages. In every video, we bring something more unique and informative that provides long-term hope to the health space through therapeutic gardens. So if you want to be a part of our squad, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give thumbs up to this video. Now without any ado, let's get started. From paleo to juicing to vegan, the term diet is not new in the English language. However, the food groups listed on the Mediterranean diet makes us believe that this could be the ultimate solution if you're looking for a heart-healthy plan to lose weight and keep it off. A Mediterranean diet is high in fruits and vegetables, low in red meat, and low in refined foods and added sugars. This is more than a diet. It is a way of life based on eating wholesome, healthy ingredients. There is no need to count carbs or eat 5 times a day. Simply eat real food and avoid all the artificially made processed foods on the market. This diet has been shown to improve the overall quality of life, lower the risk of chronic diseases, and have a significant impact on weight loss. We've compiled your go-to grocery list for what to buy to get started to help you get on board. Number 10. Almonds. Almonds are not only a healthy way to lose weight, but they also taste delicious as a snack, milk, or nut butter. You can incorporate these nutrient-dense nuts into a breakfast, lunch, or dinner dish, or simply bring a handful with you for a snack. According to research, eating almonds before working out helps you lose weight faster. They're great for energy and super satiating. Nuts in general are high in protein but low in fat, so eat them in moderation rather than mindlessly snacking on them. To avoid overeating the almonds, divide them into handful-sized servings beforehand. Number 9. Hummus. Hummus is a healthy dip or spread made simply by blending cooked garbanzo beans, chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite spices. Hummus is a good dip for veggies like celery or cucumber because chickpeas are high in protein and a natural appetite suppressant. You can also make hummus in a variety of flavors such as roasted red pepper, sun-dried tomato, and spicy jalapeno. It's also a fun way to give your sandwiches and pitas some life. There are many hummus brands available at the grocery store, but with such an easy recipe available on different channels, we recommend making your own at home. Number 8. Wild salmon. Ordering fish instead of steak may have seemed to be a simple way to lighten the load, get some extra nutrients, and maybe even save room for that brownie. What most people don't realize is that 99% of Atlantic salmon is farm-raised and fed soy, reaping nowhere next to the same benefits as wild salmon. The farm-raised kinds contain approximately 1,900 milligrams of omega-6s, a fatty acid that causes inflammation. Instead, go to your local fish market and buy wild salmon that is clearly labeled. Wild salmon has approximately 39 grams of protein per serving and a more reasonable amount of omega-6s, so the heart-healthy omega-3s are not overpowered. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is an excellent way to add taste to a variety of dishes. There's no limit to how far this little plant can take a meal, from pasta to and tortilla wraps, and add some extra flavor to your avocado toast or cheese sandwich. One slice contains only 80 calories and 3 grams of fiber. That's awesome! Number 6. Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is a sprouted ancient grain bread without sugar. Instead of white bread or all-natural whole grain bread, which is actually made with sugar and processed flours, choose Ezekiel bread. It's available in both classic sliced and tortilla wraps, and add some extra flavor to your avocado toast or cheese sandwich. One slice contains only 80 calories and 3 grams of fiber. That's awesome! Number 5. Chicken. To all chicken lovers just like me, chicken, whether grilled, baked, or seared, is a great protein to eat to fill you up without filling you out. Chicken has a light flavor on its own, but by adding spices and seasonings, you can truly transform it into your own masterpiece. For lunch, add it to a salad or make an entire dish by serving it with roasted vegetables. Enjoy the yummiest, tastiest lunch at home. Number 4. Quinoa. Quinoa soup with vegetables is just one way to enjoy it. It's great for energy bars, breakfast bowls, and even desserts. It's naturally gluten-free and a complete protein source with 1 cup of cooked quinoa containing approximately 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. This is a must-have grain. It also has a low glycemic index and is high in minerals such as magnesium. Because it has a mild flavor, you can easily make it sweet or savory by cooking it in coconut milk or chicken stock with your favorite drink. Number 3. Skyr. Skyr is Icelandic yogurt, similar to Greek yogurt, but it has a thicker consistency and even more protein than Greek yogurt. To get its great texture and bold flavor, this yogurt is strained an additional time and made with an extra cup of milk. Try Siggy's, which uses only natural ingredients like agave and fruit, along with grass-fed milk and no artificial thickeners. Use a dollop on your soup or sprinkle with some of those chia seeds we adore about. It'll satisfy both your stomach and your taste buds. Number 2. Chia seeds. These little seeds have more power than appears. They are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3s, with major anti-inflammatory properties and lessening the chances of heart disease. In just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, you'll get 11 grams of fiber, which also keep you satisfied. Who knew such a small seed would have such a big impact on your health? Try getting chia seeds into your diets by making a chia seed pudding or supercharging your breakfast smoothie. They're also great as a topping for oatmeals and yogurts to give it the little bite you need. They have almost no flavor, so you won't be changing any taste, just adding tons of nutrients. Number 1. Olives and Evo. There's a reason olive oil was once given as a prize to Olympians. Its beneficial properties are a gift to your health. Extra virgin olive oil is cold pressed from olives and is excellent for yummy cooking. Evo, which is high in monounsaturated fats, has been tied to lowering the risk of heart disease and may even help fight cancer. This type of fat has also been shown to promote weight loss by reducing belly fat. Though there is no single Mediterranean diet, this eating pattern is generally high in healthy plant foods and low in animal foods, with an emphasis on fish and seafood. It has been linked to a variety of health benefits, including the ability to help stabilize blood sugar levels, promote heart health, and improve brain function, amongst other things. Before deciding on a Mediterranean diet shopping list, make sure you understand what foods are allowed or healthy on this diet and which should be avoided. No doubt, following a Mediterranean diet is a truly enjoyable experience that promotes whole, fresh, healthy foods that are delicious and satisfying, making it a diet that is simple to follow. With this, it is time to wrap up today's video. I hope that you have found the content informative and also satisfactory. Have you ever followed the Mediterranean diet? Which food must-have do you have on your list? Let us know in the comment below. If you liked the content, share it with your friends and keep watching our channel for more interesting content and updates on a healthy lifestyle by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Keep shining. Bye!